Pennsylvania, effective until 5:26 p.m. The National Weather Service and State College PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
My county,
At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located north of Cashtown and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cashtown, Taylorville, Aaronsville, and McKnightstown. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.